Okay, why and in what world did I think that would look cool? It did not. Ooh, look you guys, I found my butt burger. Wait, I almost like, y'all, it's been a minute since I've been here. Let me calm myself into our little intro. When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, please excuse my absence and my appearance. I am still ill. Oh, hang on, the door's open. And I can hear nothing right now, but I'm sure I will in a minute, so yes, okay. Okay. Anyway, you guys, we just got back from Disney. It's the first time we have been to like the Halloween thing since 2019. Very long time. We went, we had fun, we came back. We are both ill. Thankfully, we don't have, you know, that thing. We tested negative for that thing, but we are still ill. I'm feeling better today, and we're doing a sippy sippy. I'm drinking a homemade pumpkin spice Lulu right now. Which also, please raise your hand at home if you tried the freaking Home Alone, the hot chocolate coffee creamer. You guys, I waited what feels like a century to test that. I thought that that was gonna be my new favorite coffee creamer flavor ever of all time. Because I am forever chasing what is probably still my favorite iced coffee flavor, which is from Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. So if you live somewhere where there's a Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, you're very fortunate. Although, do they still do the iced dark chocolate latte? Let me know. That was like my favorite iced coffee drink in the world. And we used to have, like, no joke, like 8 coffee beans and tea leaves in the general Austin area. Which we do not live in Austin, but we're there enough that it almost feels like we do kind of live there. So yeah, I used to go and get that all the time. And they did not survive the panini. When everything like closed down, like they all closed down and never reopened again. Anyway, this is kind of like a vlog, I guess. I filmed a tea vlog yesterday for Graveyard Girl, and this is kind of more of that, but also I do have a package to open with you guys. And sippy sippy. I filmed yesterday and I kind of lost my voice, so we'll see what awaits us today. Also, you have to let me know. My hair looks like a mess right now, but I did this really long treatment on it yesterday. It was a hair gloss. So we shot some before of my crispy crunchy hair yesterday, and this is it after. Does it at least look a little more glossy? I don't know. I was like in the shower for hours last night, conditioning and glossing, exfoliating. I kind of like went the whole 9 yards. I don't know about you guys, but like sometimes when I'm sick, I like to do like the ultimate. Like I'm really in the mood to do my makeup right now, but I kind of like just don't think I should. I feel like that would maybe be kind of gross to my makeup in the future. And so I did the next best thing. I did like the everything shower. And yes, what else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, if you guys watched my tea vlog yesterday, I mentioned I was gonna like go in my closet and find some new old shirts to wear. I said I was like tired of wearing the same dang shirts all the time. Look at this one, you guys. Look at him, okay? It's a frog, and inside, hello, it's a prince. Inside, which isn't this kind of confusing, okay? Because this is like a big giant Godzilla frog. Like, I'm just now thinking of the implications of this. This is a gigantic frog who is eating princes. Like, I always kind of thought the prince was like, you know, inside every frog there's a prince. But this is a little more literal. And it says, you have to kiss a lot of frogs before you find a prince, like just in his mouth. Very interesting. You guys, I'm kind of thinking, I've never cut a shirt like this before, where I cut it like I normally like cut the neck or cut the sleeve. I've never like just cut like the bottom because I think it'll like roll up a little bit. I think I've bought some vintage shirts where someone else cut like the bottom and the hem off, because I feel like that's why I stopped wearing this one, is it feels a little bit like a dress and not a shirt. Okay, you guys, I don't 100% know what is in this box, but I'm almost 100% sure that today we're gonna be unboxing the Lush Beetlejuice collection collab fragile So, yes. Also, I just found this thing. Like, look. I don't know why I keep thinking this is a bottle opener. It's quite clearly not a bottle opener. Open X. I almost feel like this was like an as seen on TV product. And I just went for it. It's actually quite helpful. Yes. So while I was on vacation, I got an email from Lush and they asked if I would like to receive the Beetlejuice collection as PR. And when we got home from the trip, there was a Lush box here, but somehow it was actually a repeat of the September bath subscription box, which I had already filmed that video before we left, but I just haven't like edited it and put it up yet. So I thought the Beetlejuice stuff was still coming. I don't know. So I literally don't know what's gonna be in this box. Now we did go to New Orleans before we went to Disney, and I saw some of the Beetlejuice products like in the store in New Orleans, and they looked really fun, but I don't think they had everything, and we were like in there for like 2 seconds. So I kind of was just like snapping some pictures, and that was it. You guys, what's the storyline here? Anyway, I think one of the innovative products that they're bringing out with this collection is like a hair gel. And you guys know I've been saying that lately in my Lush videos, which I've been making so many Lush videos lately, you guys. I know. Y'all know though, especially on this channel, y'all know my like little deep dive micro obsessions where like I get so into stationery, so into miniatures, so into whatever. I feel like I'm just really focused on Lush right now for the past couple of months. What's going on? I don't know. I think it's like a leading in a little bit about what I was talking about in my tea vlog yesterday, which hopefully you guys saw that. Maybe you didn't, I don't know. I'm kind of like trying to like rekindle my interest in a lot of things that used to bring me a lot of joy, and Lush was one of those things, you guys. I've always been a mega Lushy for life. Hopefully this is the Beetlejuice collection. If not, I am just purely rambling, but we do have some wishes. Oh, okay, I'm seeing stripes. Let's see. Oh, it is. Ew. I like the box. Okay, look. I'll just, this is gonna be so much fun to pick up later. This box almost looks like it would glow in the dark. Doesn't it kind of? It's like kind of that, you know, right? Am I just going crazier right now? Oh, and I always love when they do this too for the PR boxes. It's like an open, one time only experience. But yeah, I don't know what it is about the Beetlejuice roach motif. I'm really liking the roaches. What is that? I don't know. What more can I say? Yes. Also, I'm like getting a grape essence. Oh, the juice is loose. That is so amazing. You guys, forever and ever and ever. Beetlejuice was my favorite movie. Where is he? Oh, wait. Let me get him. I still have my childhood relic. Let me see. Oh no, it's a different one. Y'all, what did I do with them? Oh my god. Well, look, I do have this one in here. Y'all can't see me. Can y'all see? Here's Johnny. Can y'all see him? Here we go. Yeah, this guy. I thought he was like the old one that I had from the 80s. He used to be in this filming room and you would like twist his head and he had a button on the back. They were like these talking dolls. Hang on, let me read that text message. Yeah, but forever and ever, Beetlejuice was my favorite movie. Have I seen Beetlejuice yet? No, I have not. I really want to do like a drive-in, I almost said a drive-through movie experience. Can you imagine? A drive-in movie experience. I think it would be really fun. I've seen this one, I think it is like outside of Austin, and it's like a 50s drive-in experience. It looks amazing. So I think that is what I'm gonna try and do. But yes, okay, this is gonna be so exciting, you guys. Yes, this is what I thought. Y'all, does it look like I spent 2 hours on my hair yesterday? Oh yeah, this is so cute. So this is the item that definitely really caught my eye in stores. Of course, it's the Bob Bath Bomb, and it's like really cute to see this guy like make an appearance. I think he's like a main character this time, which like I can't give any spoilers because I have no idea, but I mean, I'm just saying from like the merch, the posters, and everything else, I'm deducing that he's like a main character this time. So this is a, ooh, yes. This reminds me of another lemon scented product that we got recently that I really enjoyed, because this is a Sicilian lemon oil and labdanum resinoid bath bomb. Has been turning heads. Yeah. So I was kind of curious, like when I saw this in the store, if it was one of the bath bombs that had like a little something inside of it. You guys know that they've been doing that like crazy lately, where it'll be a bath bomb and sometimes it'll have a miniature soap inside, or sometimes it'll just have like a fun little surprise. Like one of my favorite ones was the SpongeBob, who's that? SpongeBob bath bomb, and when you put him in the bath, like these little paper shorts like floated out. It was very cute, very, very cute. But yeah, I'm trying to determine if this is what smells like somehow kind of grapey to me. Y'all, I am really getting like a grape soda smell. Now, why I always do these Lush videos like when I'm sick or getting over being sick is a mystery, because I'm imagining like, you know, I feel like still a little congested or something. I don't know. Ooh, yes. Okay, this is what I was so excited to see. This is the styling gel, and it's called Goth Juice. And it says, bring your hair back to life with this medium hold hair gel made with sorry. Oh my God. Yes, made with conditioning linseed oil and shine boosting fresh lemon infusion. So it seems like definitely lots of lemon essence in these products, and it looks kind of like this pastel purple. Yes. And let me smell. Oh my gosh. Y'all, what else did it say besides lemon? Linseed oil. This smells like incredibly amazing. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. Ooh, why did I touch this? Literally hair gel. I'm about to just rub it on my arm. Why not? No paper towels in here. Nothing. Nothing to wipe my hand on. I'm gonna use some of the packing peanuts. That seems logical. So yeah, I don't know why I thought this had like a little bit of sparkly element to it. But of course with like mica or something, I feel like mica is what creates like natural sparkle, because you know, like Lush, I feel like they would never use like glitter in anything, because I know like glitter is like not biodegradable or something. Or is there biodegradable glitter now? I don't know. That smells amazing. Up next we have the Juice is Loose shower gel. Now this is definitely another product that I really remember seeing in store when I was there briefly. They had like huge piles of this stuff. It is like such a beautiful neon royal purple in person. I'm not sure if that's coming through on camera. So this says softening Carrageenan and refreshing juniper berry and sweet wild orange scent will revive you. I'm wondering if this is gonna smell like the infamous Pirates of the Caribbean. Do you guys remember that? We've talked about that before. I think because they did bring it back for one of the like kind of piratey themed Lush subscription boxes like last year. Maybe it was the Halloween one last year. I think was kind of like a Kraken kind of pirate theme. And I feel like that was a product from like forever ago. But I always really liked that. And y'all, why is everything smelling kind of the same today? It's in the nose. Yeah, this is like, I mean, it feels like a collection that was definitely designed in mind to where you can like layer all the products. You could use the hair gel on the same day you shower with the shower gel, and I feel like it would kind of like build. I feel like I talk about that with Lush collections a lot, where you can either get a range of different types of products in the same scent family. So you can kind of like wash your hair with the same scent as like a perfume you would put on and a body lotion you would use, so that the scent kind of like stays with you all day. And I kind of feel like this is a collection that is like designed in mind like that. All right, you guys, we have another bath bomb. Ooh, this is really pretty. So this is called the Afterlife, and this says fruity juniper berry and sweet wild orange will haunt you long after your bath is over. Yeah, see, they all have like berry, orange, although this is definitely the thing that to me smells like super grapey, which, yeah, this is like definitely the grapiest thing I've pulled out of the box, which is like so funny. I don't know why my mind is like telling me grape right now instead of like berry, but it is. I don't know. And then I think this is actually going to be our very last product. Ooh, oh, I really like this as well. And oh my gosh, this looks so bright on camera. This is called the Never Trust the Living Bubble Bar, and it says light some candles and raise your spirits with juicy grapefruit and Divana scented bubbles. So I feel like they always like hit me with a word I know, like grapefruit, and then confuse me with one I don't, like Divana. What's that? I don't know. So ooh, this almost has like a little bit of a food scent to me. I don't know. I mean, grapefruit is a food, but almost like something a little bit more savory. Like, I don't know why I keep thinking popcorn. Probably because the Lush, oh, I'm like giving it away. There was something else I recently sniffed from Lush that had a popcorn scent. And once again, it's like not truly popcorn, but it's just savory in that way. It's almost like fruity, yet a little bit buttery, if that makes any sense, which it probably shouldn't unless Divana is a savory scent. Anyway, I just wanted to like pop back on here today because it has been so long. I think that this is the longest little break I've ever taken, like especially from this channel. I know it's been a long time, but y'all let me know what you would like to see on this channel. I would like to just come here and like hang out with you guys more, talk about random stuff, literally just look at random things. I know we do like a lot of unboxings and stuff on this channel, and I actually think I have a Does This Thing Really Work that I'm gonna save specifically for you guys, banana peppers. So yeah, let me know what you guys would like to see on this channel, but I just wanted to like jump back on today, say hello, tell you guys where I've been, and do something like super, you know, simple. I miss you guys. I miss hanging out with y'all. I miss hearing what is going on in your lives. Y'all, every single time I kind of contemplate like, do I want to start live streaming? I feel like that would be like kind of fun sometimes, like just occasionally, you know? So yeah, let me know what is new in your world. Let me know what you would like to see more of on this like second, more casual channel. Let me know. Give me some inspo, especially with Vlogoween coming up. Let me know. Anyway, you guys, thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I promise I'll be back soon. Bye!